Squarehead coming at ya. Check out my lovely, lovely, lovely white kitchen. She is gorgeous. She is gorgeous. I know you want to see that first. So we're gonna go and get you that, you know, squares. We be all over it. That little hole thing, you know, 20 seconds at Home Depot. We'll cover that little hole up. We're gonna go out this way so you can get it all them doors and handles fixed too. I already showed you that handle, but hey, carpeting, shiny new floors and walls, everything all clean and beautiful. Everybody's tripping. You ain't gonna never get done. Shut up, punk. We're getting there. We already done. Done. Oh yeah, you wanted that little thing. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. He's still squaring it out. He's still squaring it out. Y'all ever seen some flows? He's still squaring it out. Bedroom one. Squared it out, baby. Squared it out. 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 Oh yeah, I'm gonna spray a little spray on that. Cover up that little sink. Square coming at ya. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's show y'all this freaky basement. Look at these doors, man. I freak these doors out, man. You know what I'm saying? Look at these steps I'm coming down. You know? That's how I be squaring them, boy. I tell you, I square a nigga house. Ow! What, man? Hey Josh, send me some cash, man. I'm broke, man. I need some money, man. I need some money, bro. Send me something, man. Send me something. That's what you want them stuff to look like, man.